Polygon Matic at the time of this recording continues to hold within our key area of support between the 0.423 and the 0.4635. We have also continued to obey the additive structures, and on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, give you my breakout target areas, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 13th of January, where we started a very nice bounce to the upside and we first picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5176. And after we picked in the formation of that 5-wave structure, we completed the formation of these larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using these red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of these wave 1. So connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and you can see that my target area for the second wave lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of these wave 2, and in the next coming days we should easily start another impulse to the upside in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of these wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, I get a minimum target area for these wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.605. Then I can expect a pullback in the formation of these wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of these additive count 5. And for that to also play out, we also need to see a break above significant swing highs here on the charts, and that means that we first need to see a break above the 0.4651, also the high we made above the 0.4867, and finally break above the 0.5182 for us to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is all that I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to now give you my long-term perspective of the chart, basing my analysis on an additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 4th of November. And you can see that from the lows we made on the 4th of November, we started a very impulsive bounce to the upside, where we first picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure in a move that picked above the 0.77, that is above the 0.77, completing the formation of these larger additive count 1. Then we started a pullback in the formation of these additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using these red target area, and that is an area that we have also fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in the formation of these wave 2, that is on the low that we made on the 13th of January, and in the next coming days we should easily start another impulse to the upside in the formation of these larger additive count 3. And for us to get a confirmation that we have a low in place in the formation of these wave 2, we first need to see these initial 5-wave structure to the upside to confirm that a low is in place in the formation of these wave 2, and the wave 3 is just getting started. And if by any chance we don't get that 5-wave structure to the upside, then that will be suggesting one more new low within this red target area before we can finally bounce impulsively in the formation of these wave 3. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Polygon Matic to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.